Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Camera Pro mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23. To open Camera Pro mode, you have to open main camera application and go for the more modes. And right now you can select Pro mode or Pro video, but we are going to focus on the Pro photo mode. So first of all, when you open this application, you can find two bars, the bottom and the top bar. Let's focus at the first, at the bottom. So we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different parameters that we can adjust manually and automatically. Let's start from the ISO level. And when you click on each parameter, you can also click on the information icon, where you will find great description. It's very short, but it gives you basic information about parameter. So if you don't know what is going on right here, I can recommend you to check this feature. And ISO we can adjust manually with the slider, just like that, as you can see. But you can also change it manually, automatically, by clicking on this button. Next option is the shutter speed. So we can set it even for the 30 seconds. So even when we can just set for the 2 seconds, and it will take 2 seconds to take photo. Of course, you have to hold this phone steady. That's very important, and you can also adjust it manually, automatically. Right here we can find exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Right here we can find matrix metering, the focus range, sorry guys for that. So we can set manual focus, and if you want to get focus on the close objects, like for example on this button, you have to set it for example for like 0.1. and as you can see on the button we can find, I'm not sure if you can spot it, but that's some kind of the green color, but maybe it will be more visible when I go for a little bit higher range. Maybe we can get this black material, and let's see right now. Okay, I think that right now you can spot this green stuff that appears definitely right now, and it's basically show us if we catch focus on these objects that we are focusing right now, as you can see right here. So that's a little bit easier when we have this kind of the preview. And we can also get the white balance right here, the manual adjustment, and also automatic. Next we can focus on these parameters on this bar. Right here we can adjust contrast level, highlights, shadows, saturation, and also tint, and you can just make it like that. For each parameter we can make the same adjustment. Next option is the matrix metering. You can choose which one it fits you the best. Right here we can change the aspect ratio, and we can even enable the 50 megapixel mode in the 3x4. It's always the best to stay with the 3x4 because that's the default resolution for this device, and it gives us the best quality of the photos. We can also enable shutter delay. After this time the photo will be taken, and also that's the flashlight. So if you need more light, definitely use this option. And yeah, that's all. That's how the photo Pro mode looks in the Samsung Galaxy S23. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.